See friends, what an interesting story. I'm here in the Philippines, went to the laundry room. You know, before this I went to the laundry, which is near. And there's so-called self-service in there. Well, when you do everything yourself there, you put laundry soap. You lay down, you get clothes. Then you shift it to the dryer. And all that stuff. But on one of the beautiful days, I came again to this laundry room. And laundry was very busy. Too many customers. In general, they told me to wait a very long time. I decided to think I will go to another laundry room. There's another laundry across the street. But they're not self-service. That is, they do everything themselves. You just pay, and they do everything themselves. I brought soap with me. Well, I usually buy it there. You know, these bags of soap, conditioner, and so on, and I tell them such a type. Put please. Here I brought soap with me. Please put here is my soap. When you wash, they are so yes great. All no problems. No any problems. Sir, we will do everything. Everything I paid. They told me to come in the evening. They're at 7 p.m. I started an alarm on my phone for 7 p.m. As a reminder, what I need to pack my clothes at 7 p.m. And when the time came, I came for my clothes at 7 p.m. They told me these wait a little more. Well, okay, I waited. And then took his clothes. Yes, they gave me everything. I presented them with a check. They gave me my clothes back. And I'm so satisfied going back to my condominium. Unpacking my clothes. Feel smell. And there is no smell of soap. Friends, like this. They did not put my soap. I don't know where they put it. Home, or what they taken it, or what. Well, in short, I do not know. Or they put a little bit of their soap in there. So just a little bit, because it smells like it doesn't exist at all, something barely. So slightly smell the soap. Just a little bit. But when I wash my clothes at the laundry self-service, I put my soap by myself. And when I later, after washing, picking up my clothes, the smell of soap is very strong. You straight feel smell. So these are the things. Friends, write sure in the comments. Have you encountered with so here in the Philippines? Have you ever encountered such a thing at all? What are you? Went to the laundry, not self-service. And where is no self-service? Where do you pay them for that? So that they kind of did all this in place of you. Have you encountered such that? Do they not put soap or something, or put a little bit? In short, I do not know. Friends, write in the comments. Interesting to know.